Good morning, my teachers and all my fellow classmates. My name is Abhay. I am from BCA first year, and my topic for the PPT is storage classes. Let's begin. What are storage classes? Storage classes decides how and where a variable is stored and how long it remains active during the program executes. There are four main types of storage classes: external storage classes, auto storage classes, register storage classes, and static storage classes. Let's begin with the auto storage classes. The auto storage class is the default storage class for variables declared inside a function. When you create a variable inside a function without using any keyword, it automatically becomes an auto variable. Auto variables are created when the function starts and destroyed when the function ends. They are stored in the computer's main memory, specifically in the stack area. The variables can only be used inside the function where they are declared. The default value of an auto variable is garbage, which means it has some random value unless we assign it one. Register storage class. The register storage class is used when we want our program to run a little faster. Normally, variables are stored in the main memory, but if a variable is declared as register variable, it is stored in the CPU register if available, of course. Because registers are part of the CPU, accessing these variables is much faster than accessing variables from a memory. Register variables are usually used in loops, whereas a variable is used again and again, such as counters. Just like auto variable, register variables are created when the function starts and destroyed when it ends. The only difference is their storage location. Static storage class. The static storage class is very special because it allows a variable to remember its value between multiple function calls. Normally, when a function ends, all its local variables are destroyed, but if a variable is declared as static, it is not destroyed after the function ends. It keeps its last value the next time the function is called. Static variables are stored in the data segment of the memory, not in the stack. Their default value is 0 if we do not assign anything. External storage class. The external storage class is used when we want to use a variable that is already declared in another file or outside the current function. It helps in connecting multiple files in a program. When we use the external keyword, we are telling the compiler that the variable exists somewhere else and we just want to use it here. External variables are global, meaning they can be used anywhere in the program once declared. Their lifetime is the entire duration of the program and their default value is 0. Summary. To summarize, storage classes in C define how variables behave in a program. The auto class is used for local normal variables that are created and destroyed when a function runs. The register class is used for faster access by storing variables in the CPU registers directly. The static class helps a variable remember its value between multiple function calls. Finally, the external class allows one file to use variables declared in another file. Each of these storage class has its own purpose and understanding them helps us control how data is stored and used in our C programs. Thank you everyone for listening to my PPT.